Happy birthday to you. This is your day. All this day for you. We love you in every way. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And you're so young. Age is just a number. Don't you stop having fun. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday, your day, your day. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Vanessa.
Hope you enjoy the rest of the day, right?
Thank you.
Which church do you go?
This is Alden Green, a musician and a recording artist. You can find him on YouTube by the name of Alden Green. Go on over, show him some love. Tell him that Nessa will send you over.
Trouble won't last forever. Don't do your victory. That's just the chorus.
So nice.
Thank you.
Yes,
It's not completely yet, but it's one of my original. The other ones I don't really play it on guitar. So I play more piano than guitar.
So you come here every morning and
Actually, I used to come here more often, but
God send you to sing to me.
getting a little bit too crowded and you look like you know what you're doing.
I used to know. Get up there, what to shout
This one?
This and this. So, what should I say? So you know when this song? Like the first thing I said, jingle bell.
That's a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. It's not the what I call it, like a keyboard is I can teach music, but that's not the easiest instrument.
So wait,
to play.
hold on.
You have to press it down hard. That's the thing with guitar. You have to.
So sing one song now?
I cannot sing. What should I sing?
Any song.
I can't sing. Sing.
No,
Sing You've Made a Way when him did I play
I
well.
cannot sing. We just wake up.
I play the beat for it.
Come Shy, come sing.
Play the beat for it.
When I hear a song, come sing. When I hear a song, come sing a song. When I hear a song, long time song, come now.
No, a DJ that and a singing.
DJ, me we run a DJ. Come. There you go.
Remember?
If you remember your song.
Alright, sing.
One year, money can you sing. Wallet, shaka. I tell you that. Country life, you know, cooking on my birthday. China, no use.
She was son of all the girl.
No use.
People them.
At least skate fast this man. I shine, you know, I cut up the onion. That's all she do. A long time they use me. Long time they use custard. The cold owl. The owl. Make you wait, no, make it top part get up first.
Seriously, sir?
So as you know, it's my birthday weekend and I am at Flamingo Beach in Trelawney, close to St. James, Montego Bay. It's a bit, I don't know what to say, but yeah, it's in Trelawney. And as you can see, the beach, the water is crystal clear. It is lovely. It is also warm and nice, not too salty. And you can see it's a perfect day to get baptized. Yeah, thank you, Jesus. You know, we have a new soul to the kingdom. And I'm just here watching and taking in the sunshine, taking in the breeze, and listening to the wave. I must say that this is one of my best birthday ever because it was so spontaneous. It wasn't really planned and everything was different. As you can see earlier, I cooked on coal stove, something that I haven't done in a very long time, and I didn't really video a lot, but what I cooked was curry chicken and rice, and I cooked for about 8 person, and I ensure that I cook enough so that I don't have to light any more coal stove. So that was very good. And tomorrow we'll be going to Dunzero Falls, so stay tuned for that vlog. Woo! More souls! We don't live up here.
But we're in church as well.
Listen, you never sing? Never sing? The creation, all things pass away. Creation, I'm born. Congrats, welcome to the family. Am I the only one that get annoyed when a person assume that you're not a Christian? Like, I don't know, maybe you're supposed to dress a certain way when you come to the beach or something, but it just gets so annoying sometimes. He said that's the road that everybody needs to travel.
The family is not Christian.
That they always do. Even just so random people. Like, you know, they're not gonna say that. Oh, use this. But the fact is, me say welcome to the family.
Exactly.
The more people is the more I want to prove it, but me not take them chance there. What a nice. What a nice. You taste it, me not taste it. You taste it. So you taste, oh you don't say salty.
Say that salty kind of burn.
So that me I say you know, oh. But I go the water for that, you know.
Come in here with it.
Eh? And me can swim, but me never expect it. My nose are burn me. I honestly never find a free beach that I loved. This water is so clear, so clean, not too salty as I said before.
So get
It is
water off it?
perfect.
It's kind of a fantasy video. It switched to me. I don't miss switching and it switched to me. Two, I don't miss switching. Jella, what's your time? When did I come yesterday? Curly up. With the sponge. Welcome to. Oh, you to look for no. Why keep on that switch for me? I want to touch you something, you know. I know you should not do the Airbnb experience. But then I accept it. Oh. Yeah. So this is Montego Bay. What is this? Montego Bay Private Beach. Welcome to the private beach. We have crystal clear water. There you go. You can see crystal clear. You have fish in the. I can't remember. Fish in the water. I don't know if you want it. Because them light, them bright, them sitting there. What? Them clear. That's she for them now she type this up. I think she there for her pretty looks. So that's how you do?
No, definitely if you drive for the better.
Say if you with jelly up first?
Yeah, so you'll get the curls on it. But this can't do the curls now without the gel, now just with the gel now to get more curls. If you look properly, just curl it out here, eh? No, you don't have to. Go look on our ear. I bet you the far. So see how your curl up there?
What's that? Oh, I try to curling fine.
Yeah, I try here.
Tell us a 4D.
And a 4D this.
A 4C. No 4D no day.
And a 4C.
I walk in. Don't run as a sofa.
They claim say a 4C is
No, 4C that. Yeah, 4C.
Oh, delete that. You want to see my face? I don't know.
Take good.
Oh, you see a 4D here.
Can we look for your ear and try to figure it out?
when we test it, I see a 4C because it sink. You know when some of them say if you sink or if you middle or what?
I tight this
and it didn't sink.
No, and the porosity that test to see if you have high porosity.
Oh, and the water?
No,
So
that means if your ear take moisture, like if it keep it moisture.
So one to the chart, the one where you see where you have.
No, the curl, yeah.
Well, mine have more than one.
Exactly, yeah. You have person will have more than one.
So my curls are what?
Yeah, one that probably
4B and 4B.
Yeah.
Let me say that look again. You have to give people a
There you go.
Your boat.
Sir call me Dimples because of this. Yeah, ever hear about Dimples? I did thinking of me model face. My model face. 2 times we call me, you know. Dimples. Okay, everybody at church laugh after me. I did sing. No. I'm a prophesy, so we come eventually.
You want Dimples?
Yeah.
You know, set at the party, right?
I don't care more than the farmer today.
Dimples are different.
Really? Straight up on one leg or disability.
Yeah, that is a rickets.
I don't feel fast like
Rickets. That means the mother never did eat.
No.
He lacked some.
Grandfather have it too, she have it.
No, I mean as in when she did in the belly, they lack. I think I can see them.
But everybody have it in my family. My father have it, me, and mother have it.
So that means in the family lack calcium.
But sir, I have one leg too, so when I talk about her, I was like, but my bishop, you have one leg too.
Sir, one leg too?
I know.
Because I always wear big pants.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said the other day, said the man them say I wear too much big pants in
Sir,
it.
make marker for everybody. So you just love to
All my school legs people in the church. And not knee people leg too.
I'd rather see bowling than not me. I don't
especially when I'm man of not but just because of them born.
Oh, yes, you can't just turn off, man.
Yeah?
Because of them born, you have just left them.
They're not near?
Like,
If they see me now, this, yes.
Not near. They knock till then gas fire.
I thought about not near disability and body.
So you can do makeup? You can do your makeup?
so why you don't have the red one? The red one, we don't want
And the gold one she have.
I go over
I wish she have.
No, next time you buy, not for yourself, but for people.
Wow.
What the hell?
The red one would have fit
Wait,
your
let me aim
skin color
before.
more.
As me snap it now, it
Sure.
We never put all of
Hey.
it. We do a part
As me snap it now, it take, but normally we have to hold it down. Why?
I mean, no, you can't hold it down, you know. Like that.
No,
watching us now, and when it looks as if we can't win, wrap us in your arms and step in. Everything we need you supply. You've got this in control. Now we know that you made a way. When our backs were against the wall, and it looked as if it was over on you, made a way. And we're standing here only because you made a way. And now we're here, looking back on where we come from. Cause of you and nothing we've done to deserve the love and mercy you've shown. Your grace was strong enough to pick us up, and you made a way. When our backs were against the wall, and it looked as if it was over, oh, you made a way. I was standing here only because you made a way. You move mountains, cause walls to fall with your power. For miracles, there is nothing impossible. Understanding here only because you made a way. You move mountains, cause walls to fall with your power. For miracles, there is nothing that's impossible. And we're standing here only because you made. And we're standing here.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. And don't forget to check out my next video, which I'll be going to Dunzura Falls, climbing the falls from the bottom to the top. So stay tuned. Bye.